Today we at the zoo. We gonna be ranking animals based off what they gotta do to look smack. Not even gonna lie to you, the cow might be cooked, bro. Like, it's actually over. I'm with myself, the goat. I ain't gonna lie, he gets an easy 10 because he got the goatee, so you know what I'm saying? He know what's up. What's that shit, like a chicken? Nah, it's a peacock. The peacock, I ain't gonna lie, is cooked because he only got one good feature. And so you gotta level up everything in your life, not just your hair. Yo, it's an eagle. I ain't gonna lie though, bro, he gotta grow out his hair, man. He bought his shit. If he has some curls, he'll be fire. Nah, kangaroo? Hold on, bro. He letting that shit hang. Look at that shit. 6 out of 10. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie, the camel might be cooked, bro, because like, look at his posture. Forward head, neck posture. Like, how you born with humps in your back? Ugh. Bro need a skincare routine too. You see the fucking warts? I tell y'all this all the time, man. Look at his skinny ass neck. You gotta train your neck. Hey, yo, nah. And he got a fucked up cut, bro. Nah, nigga need to lock in with my self-cut course.